Yo, 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 what is up, everybody? Check out the process. To hook it up with a nice little quick macaroni salad with egg, olives, mayo. Pretty decent. Something good. This one really nice. This here is about, see what time is it now? I already took them off probably like an hour ago. No, about 45 minutes ago. So give or take about 5 hours. 5 hours. There's a pork rib. I shot in there. See that smoke ring there? The ones in the bottom there. That's some beef rib. And these right here, the pork rib on top. I believe my sister got these from Costco. These already came prepared, marinated, St. Louis style. So they were small cut baby back ribs already. Sorry about that. And these already came prepared, seasoned, and the beef rib. The only thing I did put on it was some garlic powder, pepper, no salt, because my mom can't have the salt, and some dry bay leaves, smashed, not pulverized, but smashed bay leaves. And that's pretty much it for that right there. And that also was 5 hours. They both went on at the same time. And I haven't tried none of this yet. I had to go take a shower. Cause, sitting there in front of the smoker and feeding it the wood chips and all that. The smoke will penetrate your skin, your clothing, so I have to change clothes, take a shower. So, go ahead and check out this. Alright, so let's go ahead and check out what we got going on here. It's a pork rib. Going slow for about 5 hours. And I got pulled apart goodness right there. Just getting a little bite here. Shoot that juicy right here. All good. Yes, sir. And of course, just because my brother brings it up once in a while. Some Sweet Baby Ray barbecue sauce. Here. Wow, that smoke flavor really penetrates that meat. It doesn't need sauce, but I don't mind it once in a while, you know? If y'all like that low and slow, let's get a thumbs up out there. And if you haven't already, let's get a like and subscribe out there. And a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit that notification bell. My process is always the same. I just light my fire, a couple of briquettes, put my mesquite wood and some soaking water or some apricot wood or something like that. I usually add those to a bucket of water and let them soak, and then just add them so often. That bark off that meat right there. Now that's something. But the star of the show, of course, move this over. That pork rib was really nice. There's this beef rib. Does the same. 5 hours. She's pretty chunky. Look at that. All that goodness right there. Now let's see if she'll rip apart by herself. Will she rip apart by herself? No, I'm thinking those tendons are pretty tough. Oh no, she's giving. Silver screen. Hold on, let's try to do this well. Got the camera going here because I'm trying to do this by myself. So. There we go. Smoking the beginning part, especially when trying to pull it apart, but it did pull apart. So, look at this. That's beef rib. Wow. Wow. Sweet Baby Ray's on it. Right. Wow. You know, having beef rib like this literally brings me back into memories when my dad and I would be in Texas, and he'll take me to these roadside barbecue stands, and let me tell you, over there they can get down as well. So, till next time, everybody. If you guys want to do this you guys yourself, check out my other videos. Don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button. Hit that notification bell so you guys can see future videos just like here. Until next time, thanks for watching, people. Always tune in for the next time for the next ones. Drop a like. Thanks again for watching, you guys.